Alright, today we're gonna do oil change on the Lexus. We got a car meet tomorrow, so I'm gonna be doing the oil change as well. If you have a low car and you're tired of jacking up your your car by wood ranch or whatever, I got this Sunex wheel dolly, or like it's a ratcheting wheel dolly. So you slide this underneath, and then he's cracked. You only really need one, but I got two. Yeah, try not to hit your lip. Hey, it's been a while since I worked on cars, bro. Okay. Alright. Slide this thing underneath. Get as close as possible to the wheel. And lock her up. And then you start just pumping the handle. Each wheel dolly is like rated for 1,500 pounds, I think. So it's kind of maxed out right there. And then you just put the pin to lock it. And then now I can slide a jack underneath the car. Table of organized mess. I feel like pretty sure everyone has a table like this. Just random shit. Well, you know where everything's at, so is it really a mess? That's destroyed. So I always try to keep, a stash of brand new oil filters, gear oil, coolant, whatever. I had like 20 Toyota oil filters, and now I'm down to 6 or 5. Over the past couple of years, I let some friends take some. The Yaris also uses the YZZ D3, which is the larger oil filter made for trucks, and surprisingly it fits the Yaris. So all 3 cars use it. Alright, just showing you how bigger the D3 series oil filters are. And that's right there. Just kidding, that's a coffee mug. We got my neighbors doing oil change too.
Right now.
I say hi to YouTube.
Oh. Oh. What one?
That's the thumbnail right there. Some sandpaper for grip. Oh yeah. There we go. Sandpaper for the win. Oh no, it's actually spilling. A little bit.